candy's coming! Whoops, false alarm.
Cheese pull! Oh my goodness. Aloha friends, and welcome to Eating Richly, where we cook mostly healthy, affordable, family-friendly recipes rich in nutrition and flavor. I'm Diana Johnson, and today Corbin is going to help me test out Disney's recipe for the epic grilled cheese sandwich from Toy Story Land. To Walt Disney World in 30 years.
That's a long time.
True. But apparently, Walt Disney World Resort in Florida has an area called Toy Story Land in Disney's Hollywood Studios. They also serve quick walk-up meals there at Woody's Lunchbox.
I want to go there.
Me too, buddy. Me too. Last month, for National Grilled Cheese Day, Disney released the recipe for their grilled cheese sandwich. Corbin and I saw someone making it a couple of days ago on TikTok, and he had to try it. I love you. Shout out to Life with Mark who made the video. If you are on TikTok and love food, you have to follow him. So I borrowed some costumes, bought the ingredients, and we are going to test the recipe right here just for you. But before we do that,
make sure to like this video and subscribe and click that bell.
This helps you by giving you a notification when we post our weekly video so you don't miss it. And it helps us by telling YouTube that people like us. I also have a free ebook of hacks to save you money on food. So click the link in the corner to sign up for our newsletter and get your copy. Now let's get cooking. Because whether you're cooking with someone, or for yourself, cooking time is connecting time. This sandwich has 3 components: the cream cheese spread, the garlic spread, and the sandwich itself. To make the cream cheese spread, you will need 1/2 cup of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded Double Gloucester or cheddar cheese. I couldn't find Double Gloucester at the store I went to, so I just went with a sharp cheddar. 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and 1/4 teaspoon of coarse salt like kosher salt. You're also going to need a food processor, although honestly, I think you could just mix it with a hand mixer or even by hand if you need to. Corbin, what do you think we should use?
Food processor.
All right, let's do it. We are gonna start dumping everything in. Here goes the cream cheese.
Ooh.
Then our cheddar.
I have some.
Somewhat.
That?
Cream. You can lick the bowl after we pour it in.
Okay.
There you go, dump it right there. All right, and last is our 1/4 teaspoon. Is it good? Our 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna blend it until everything is nice and smooth. Right, this is a really big food processor, so I gotta scrape the sides a little, and then we'll do it again. Just make sure it's all mixed. Okay, that is looking good.
Can I lick it?
No, I want you to keep your tongue. Now we need to make our garlic spread. This will be 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1½ teaspoons of minced garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of coarse salt. While I do use minced garlic from a jar in some recipes, for this one I think the garlic flavor is going to be really noticeable, so I'm going with fresh. I use the flat side of my knife to smash the garlic cloves, which makes them really easy to peel. And then I've got this cool tool that minces the garlic really tiny and is a lot of fun to use. What do you call it, Corbin?
Garlic cards.
Yes, he loves the Minecraft carts.
They're called Minecraft.
Oh, he loves the mine carts in Minecraft, so this is a garlic cart. Fill this part with the garlic cloves. We're gonna close it up nice and tight. And then Corbin's gonna take it for a drive, just like that. You ready? When we open it up, we have got all this beautiful, finely minced garlic. So cool! Now we're gonna add the garlic. That's about 1.5 teaspoons. And the salt to our bowl. And mix it together really well with a fork. Finally comes the sandwich itself. You're going to need sliced artisan bread, sliced cheddar, and sliced provolone. First, we're gonna lay out 8 slices of bread. 1, 2, 3, I can't actually fit 8 here. 5. Put 2 slices of cheddar on 4 of the pieces, and 2 slices of provolone. Now we're gonna divide our cream cheese spread into 4 portions.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And we're gonna spread each portion onto the provolone slices of bread. Then we're gonna put the piece of bread that has the cheddar right on top. At this point, we wanna heat up a skillet on medium and get it nice and hot. While the skillet's heating up, we are going to spread this garlic mayo onto all of our bread slices. Now that our skillet is hot, we are ready to melt. I'm melting! Okay, but seriously, sandwich number 1. It's gonna sizzle. That is our first side. Oh, I maybe used the wrong skillet. Here we go. Ooh. I would say that is melted. Holy smokes. Oh man, okay. The first one we filmed tasted amazing, but the cheese went everywhere. I think with the size of our bread, the cheese pieces were just too big. For the rest, I'm breaking the pieces of cheese in half to get my 2 pieces. One tip for the sandwich is that it might be easier with a really good non-stick skillet, because ours definitely was sticking a lot. Here comes the cheese ball. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh, that is so cheesy.
And there you have
a mega cheesy sandwich of deliciousness straight from everyone's favorite toys.
Andy's coming! Whoops, false alarm.
Let us know in the comments who your favorite Toy Story character is and why. Also, make sure to tell us if you try this sandwich recipe.
If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. And follow us on TikTok. If we get 5,000 followers, we'll get to pour slime on Mom's head.
Or don't. This is a pretty amazing grilled cheese sandwich, and we've got a link to the recipe on eatingrichly.com right up there in the corner and in the description below.
And remember,
whether it is with me, in the comments, or out in the world, you can be real and be kind. And if you want some soup to go with your grilled cheese sandwich, we've got a taco soup video over here and a video showing you what to do with woody asparagus ends over here. And I'll see you